Hey guys, this is Ramya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing the February edition Bling Bag. This is the first time I'm unboxing a Bling Bag and I'm super excited about it because they are full of beautiful fashion accessories and I can't wait to see what's inside. So the theme for this month is Fab Love Bling Bag. So they have curated the items according to the February month. So it will have some hearts or some bling or something that should go for this month. So basically what they have is every month they go with some kind of theme, and I'm pretty sure you all know what Bling Bag is. It's a basically if you don't know, let me tell you guys, Bling Bag is a premium monthly jewelry box which is handpicked by their stylists and experts, and they basically go with the theme every month and they curate about 4 items, premium quality jewelry items. For this 1 month amount is about $14.99, and if you use a coupon code that is given in the description box as well as somewhere over here on the screen, that is Ramya FB, then you're gonna get 1 extra jewelry in your monthly subscription bag, and that would make it a total of 5 jewelry items and in your bag. And yeah, you just have to use my coupon code to get that 1 free item. Now let's see what I got in my February box. The first is the Fab Love Bling Bag, and it just has this details written on it. The bag looks like this. This month's bag is in proper neon yellow, and it has this detachable holder. And the best thing about Bling Bag is they pack every single item so preciously. Okay, let's just open the first one up. The first one is, see how the packaging looks like. This is how you get each of your jewelry piece in this. So yeah, the first item I got is this one. This one's actual cost is 899 rupees, and you get everything, that all the 4 items in your bag for just 14.99. So that's a super good deal. I'm pretty sure the quality of these jewelry is also very nice. They are nicely coated. The first jewelry that you can see is this. It's a beautiful heart dangling earrings, and maybe the heart is because it's a February month and it's a month of love, and that's why you get some heart earrings for this month. But it's a proper nice gold plated earrings. The next one you get again in this pouch. Let me show you guys the next one. The next one is this beautiful silver earrings with some gemstone in the middle. Let me show you guys. And the actual worth of this earring is about 699 rupees. The earring looks something like this, and it's kind of like a bali. You have to put it like a bali, and then there is this stone going on, stone work going on in the front. It's gonna dangle around here. I think it's gonna look super duper pretty. The next pair of earrings again are in gold, and this one is actually a bali. So this one's cost is 799 in total. These earrings look so cute and so pretty. The entire bali has this crunchy effect, crunchy texture. So yeah, this is how these looks. It's not a long bali, but a very small hula hoop kind of earrings. The last piece that you get in your Bling Bag, February Bling Bag, is this thing. And okay, this is a neck piece, and this one's cost is 1199. That means 1199. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, this is how the neck piece is. It's a properly nicely gold plated neck piece, and it has these black and gold work going on. It has white diamonds in it as well. It's a beautiful piece. It has these 5 dangling rings over here. So yeah, that's what the Bling Bag February month looked like. There are 4 different kind of ways in which you can shop from Bling Bag website. The first one is the monthly subscription box that is based on style profile. So basically the customers are supposed to put in their style preferences, and the stylist over there will curate about 4 items that will fit your style profile which you have mentioned, and they'll curate a perfect box for you guys. And yeah, that's the first type. The second option is build your own Bling Bag, and in this you can select the jewelries up to 3400 rupees, that is 3400 rupees. You will only have to pay about 1999, that is 1999, and that way you'll build your own Bling Bag, whatever you want or whatever you like, and you can just do that and you can get your own bling bag that is customized by you. So that's the second option. The third option, that is the third type of bag, is outfit styling bling bag. And in this, what you have to do is you will have to send them your outfit, whatever, like if you're going on an event or there is some kind of wedding going on which you have to get prepared for, and you have the outfit ready but you're not ready with the jewelry, right? So then you can just send in your outfit to them. Then they will curate about 4 items, premium quality jewelry items that will look good with your outfit, and that would be approximately about 3,000 rupees. I mean, the total accessories that they will select for you guys would be about 3,000 rupees, and for that you will only have to pay about 14.99, that is 1,499 rupees. Fourth option for you guys is the Bling Boutique. Some of us don't really want that much of accessories or want to spend that much, so for them you can simply just, if you just like some 1 or 2 items and you just want that, so for that what you can do is you just have to select the items that you like from their Bling Boutique, and you'll just have to add them to your cart and then pay for just those items. And they have about necklaces, earrings, bracelets, rings, sunglasses, and many more. So you just have to go through all of the items that you like, add them to your cart, and then just buy that. And also I have a 10% coupon code for you guys for the Bling Boutique. You just have to write Ramya 10 when you check out, and that will reduce that will give you a discount of 10% in your entire order. And if you just want to buy from the boutique, that is the Bling Boutique. And I hope you like this video, guys. If you do need any more information about the bling bag, do let me know in the comments down below. I'll help you out, although everything you want to know, everything you need to know is in the description box. So you just have to check the description box for every single thing and you'll know everything there. Yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn the notification bell button on so that you guys get notified as soon as I upload a new video. And now I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.